I'm going to imagine that my audio is going to come shitty because computer hate so we learn on the computer. It's just playing as silence.
Okay, I see we have counsel for petitioner, we have petitioner, respondent, and an interpreter. Is anyone else that's going to be appearing today?
Your Honor, my assistant or my intern that's working with my office would like to observe.
Okay,
So she may come in.
okay. And but she's not logged on now.
She is probably in the waiting room, Judge.
Okay, yeah, court has no objection to that.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, to both parties, I'm Judge Foxworth. This is DeKalb Superior Court, and purpose of the hearing today is to determine whether or not the ex parte protective order that was entered previously will be extended or continued for a period of up to 12 months. If an order is entered, the respondent will be required to attend the Family Violence Intervention Program. That is not optional. It is mandatory in all of our cases. So that is one thing that will occur. Sir, I understand that this case was continued once before so that you could obtain counsel, but you've not done so. So we're going to go forward today.
Can I say something?
About what?
I had such a hard time finding a lawyer in Georgia. As you know, I'm in the state of Texas.
I don't know where you are, sir.
Yes, but I had so much difficulty finding a lawyer, and I came across Jeffy Family Law, but he was not available today. So I humbly request you, if you can please give me continuance until next court date. I will really appreciate that.
Have you already paid money and retained this lawyer?
Yesterday he sent me a payment link, but I had something was going on with this system, so the payment could not accept. So he asked me to get the continuance until the next court date. And I have one more request from you. If you can please give me enough time to collect all the evidence, that could be beneficial for me in this case. So I will really appreciate that, please.
The parties are currently married, is that correct?
Yes.
They're currently going through an annulment procedure, Judge.
Okay. But until that's done, they're still technically legally married, correct? All right. Sir, you were given a continuance. The law requires us to have these hearings within 30 days of the date in which the ex parte or temporary order was issued. So we're going forward with the hearing. You've not retained an attorney at this point. If you had retained one, that attorney, all they had to do was file a conflict letter if they were unavailable, and it would have been continued without problem. But we are going forward with it. We have the interpreter that has been requested, as I understand, primarily for document interpretation. Is that what I understand? That both parties act.
I like you want to do. Are you having any audio coming from the court, you guys? I might just have to chat in the chat for this. I don't have to on my resume, I don't hear anything, including me.
Yes, Judge, there is one exhibit that we will be proffering today that
Okay.
is an audio recording that is in Hindi. So the interpreter would really just be here for that limited purpose. And there's one question that's going to come up. Your Honor, these parties, I unfortunately am not counsel on the annulment. I'm not sure which judge